Referee blows the whistle and away we go as the kickoff is made, and Laumapi comes forward.
Thanks, Seven.
Booth again.
Yeah, got it.
Now to Mongarel and Laumapi in a little bit of space. Lovely offload. Here goes Lamb again, showing his pace, and he's through. Ben Lamb. Oh, he's in great form this season. It was necessary too. Now it's been coughed up by both teams. Knocked on by Aidan Ross initially, and he stayed down too. It's fairly heavy contact after he lost the ball. Just have a look here.
That's ankle.
It is too. I think his own player fell on him.
It looks like Ta'aval. So you can watch here him get pinned. So he's on the inside leg there, and as Ta'aval comes down now, wow, that's really unpleasant. That looks like a break to me.
Now Ta'aval, Ngatai goes wide, McKenzie, flat-footed. Wainui threw it forward, snapped up beautifully by Beauden Barrett. Retallick doing a great job. Barrett, I think, scored it.
Brodie Retallick got a hand in there. He's got big mitts.
He's definitely got his left hand as we're looking at it on the ball, Brodie Retallick. Barrett gets it first, but he's just short of the line. Oh, I don't think Barrett's got control of that.
There's nothing in the lead-up to suggest there was a knock-on, and I have nothing clear and obvious to overturn your on-field decision.
Well, time on, try.
Now Booth frees it up, loose pass, but Evans got it. Now here is Beauden Barrett. Laumapi lobs the pass off to Aso. Good tackle, Damien McKenzie. Ball is there. Booth gets there quickly.
Offside.
He's got them offside. Here's the cross kick. Grabbed by Laumapi. Hurricanes score again.
Because it gets scooped up, Beauden Barrett looping around. Arso has a definite dig here. Good tackle from McKenzie's. They swing it back. Beauden Barrett heads up play. Anton Leonard-Brown needed to make the catch. Couldn't. Laumapi stays in the fight. Job done.
Rangi works it away. McKenzie looking to slip through a few tackles. Then sends the wide pass for Wainui. Dragged in the tackle of Laumapi. It's there again. Johnny Fauli. 10 metres away, the Chiefs. Sam Kane, McKenzie. They didn't complete the tackle. Here's a chance for Bosha, and Lachlan Bosha scores.
And we'll go back to what set it all up first. Ale Malu, his brilliant pace. He tried to free up Wainui on the outside. From there, they won the penalty for the offside. They worked it. Wainui did well, but the work here of Sam Kane to get to McKenzie to elude the tackler, and then Charlie Ngatai just to pop and pass. He could feel the presence of all of those yellow jerseys around him.
So the final kick of the match, thumps it hard, and over it goes. And at the same time, the final whistle sounds. And the Hurricanes have beaten the Chiefs in Wellington by 25 points to 13.